A lot of people suffering with headaches have been to their doctor, and a lot of times they've been passed along to a specialist. And a lot of times that conversation is happening around the symptoms that they're having. So there's obviously the headache, and sometimes there'll be like a tight muscle. So the conversation is, how do we turn off that tight muscle? So sometimes it'll be like Botox or different medications that will decrease the muscle contraction. Same thing happens with nerves. I think it may be a nerve that's creating the headache. Let's do something to the nerve to turn it off so you don't have to feel the discomfort. So what I find is the question of why doesn't get asked enough. So why is that muscle so tight, or why is this nerve so inflamed on a consistent basis? So in terms of people who are dealing with headaches, a lot of times I find that they're still looking for answers, but they're like, well, I've already been to the specialist, what else can I do? So in this video, I want to let you know that there's a bunch of different options out there, and I would really like you to encourage to find someone that would be willing to look at your structure for you. The idea behind that is, for headaches, the head needs to be in the correct position on top of the neck. If it's not, all of those things can kick off. Muscles can get tight as they're compensating. Nerves can get irritated as the space that they're working in gets closed down on. So, for example, within chiropractic, there's over 200 different techniques. There's a small handful of them that concentrate very specifically on the upper neck and the head, called upper cervical. And the one we do in this office is called NUCA. So again, I'm really passionate about letting people know that there is different options out there, and don't be afraid to continue to ask that question of why. Why does my body keep feeling like this? And why does this pain keep persisting? So if nobody's looked at your structure yet, I'd encourage you to take a look at our website, click the book now button, and we can sit down and have a conversation to see, one, is there structural issues going on? And two, how can you move forward on that so the headaches aren't a long-term issue? So great talking to you. Again, check out our website if you have any questions. I'll look to see you over there.